Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
Your senator is telling KUAM they know Guam is not prepared to handle increased cases of COVID-19, with Minority Leader Senator Tello Taitagui saying her colleagues met with the governor yesterday, and the bad news is we don't have enough tests.
I was quite shocked to find out that there was less than 200 test kits available. So that must have meant that some of the test kits that were already used, she didn't tell us how many were already used, but we had less than 200.
Senator Taitagui telling us her colleagues asked the governor when Guam would be receiving more COVID-19 test kits.
I guess they're being very, selective because of the lack of test kits that we have.
We asked Adelup Press Secretary Crystal Paco San Augustine how many COVID-19 test kits we have on Guam, but instead of a number, we got this answer, quote, "At this time, we have an adequate supply of test kits, and our request for additional kits has been submitted. Unfortunately, given the national shortage, we received no confirmation as to when an additional supply may arrive." Meanwhile, Legislative Health Chair Senator Therese Terlahi confirms her colleagues were told that as of yesterday, there were 190 coronavirus test kits on Guam. She's also been raising concerns about whether we have enough isolation rooms at the skilled nursing facility where COVID-19 positive patients are supposed to be isolated.
How many isolation rooms do we have? How many ventilator machines do we have? This has been the issue since day one. When we first had our briefing up at the governor's at Office of Homeland Security, that was one of the first issues I brought up. I said, I think we should focus on ventilators because if you see the news from elsewhere, it's pneumonia that's the end result of this virus, and we need the ventilators. And we knew we were very limited in ventilator capacity on Guam.
We asked the senator if her colleagues were told whether there are more ventilators on the way.
Well, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but unfortunately, what I took from the meeting with the governor yesterday was that ventilators are out of stock everywhere and that we can't get them from anywhere else. So we're going to have to make do with what we have.
Senator Terlahi also said her colleagues asked to be put in the governor's COVID-19 loop. The legislative health chair shared concerns about the flow of information.
It's not just a matter of we want to know the information, but when people call me, I want to be able to, with confidence, also, be consistent with the governor and tell them, yes, this is the plan, and help them in any way I can without, not everybody can call the governor, and find out the information. So
wow, it sounds like we have the same problem.
Well, of course, but, let me tell you, we found out about the confirmed cases from you guys.
You can listen to our interviews with both senators on KUAM's Containing COVID Morning Show on our KUAM News Facebook page.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.